G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video I've got some exciting news about a crochet tutorial that is coming up this week on my crochet YouTube channel. We'll be making the Jessica Shawl and it will be released over 2 weeks. The first part of the tutorial will be for the main section, which is the blue section in this photo, and then the second part, which will be released 2 weeks later, will be for the edging and how to block your shawl. There will also be a written pattern available for this project. The written pattern will be released in whole at the start of the tutorial. We'll be using Red Heart Chic Sheep, which is a new yarn from Red Heart Yarns, and it's designed by Marley Bird. It is 100% merino, and it is the first line that they have which is 100% merino, so it's very exciting. It is a beautiful yarn, it's lovely and squishy and soft, and it's blocked up beautifully. For the project you will need 3 skeins of poolside, which is the blue, and I used 2 of the fairy tale, which is the pink. I didn't use all of the fairy tale, but I did use all of the blue, which is the poolside. So in total you are going to need about 500 grams of yarn. Each ball of yarn is 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. It's 186 yards or 170 meters. We're also going to need 3 stitch markers, and we can add beads to this project. You're going to need about 72 beads, and they will need to be big enough to thread onto your yarn. You could also substitute the yarn for this project, and you could use Red Heart Boutique. You're going to need 3 skeins. I hope you can join us for this crochet along. I'm very excited about this shawl, and it's a beautiful shawl. To block this project you will need some pins, or you can use blocking wires and T-pins at the same time. I hope you can join us for this project. I will put all the information that I've talked about in this video on my website, and I will put a link for you in the description box. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the future video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crochet!